Hello, there's no time. I must tell you, English was revealed to teach about the space nature, not just about the sentence. Every sentence of English is revealed to teach about the space nature. Now, what nature is positive. The identity, positive as a particular identity of value. See, the sciences be obfuscated. They obfuscate themselves to maintain language obfuscated from what it must understand and as language capable with the law and with our needed defenses for so long forsaken in this country, America. We lost on campus fronts here on many fronts before the birth of Washington. This was